Alright, we just got something for the Tundra, straight from Desert Does It. It is the front seat jackers. So, $100. We can put these in. It'll lift the front edge of the seat and give me that recline look feel I'm used to. So, some instructions, I think. Just move the front bolts, loosen the rear bolts, lift the front seat, put the jackers under it. Being careful to install the roll pin into the hole on the floor. If the seat jacket roll pin does not fit, confirm the plastic sheath on the factory pin is not lodged into the floor hole. Oh, I gotta get some Loctite. M10 socket head, bolts to fasten seaters for the vehicle. Fix head, corset, bolts to fasten. Alright, let's go put them in. So the first step is to remove this little plastic cover here to expose the bolts. And then all we're going to do is, oh sorry about that, loosen these bolts right here. So let's pull back the cover and loosen the bolts. Okay, so basically we loosen these almost all the way out. You want to leave them in so you can tilt back the seat and they don't get off the bolt. So you want them in there, but you want a lot of play back here, so when you tilt back the seat, you have enough space to get your risers in. And now we're going to take the front ones all the way out. The bolt that we removed. So as you can see, the seat went all the way back, and you just insert this pin into this hole right here, and you see that lines up perfectly. So now what you're going to do is you're going to insert this Allen bolt into that hole right there. So I actually decided to do this project away from my house while my son has an appointment, and luckily I was upset because I forgot my Allen wrenches, but luckily this bolt, the reduction, I don't know what you call it, but the reduction ratchet size is the perfect size for here to fit into that. So that's how we're going to tighten it down. Although I don't think my torque wrench will fit into there. And they do recommend using Loctite too on the bolts. Alright, now we're just tightening them down. Turns out my torque wrench is bigger and I don't have a downsizer for my ratchet set. So I'm just gonna tighten it down by hand, nice and tight. Pretty easy job. Nice and straightforward. test them out. I just sat down and it was totally worth it. $100 well spent. Made the seats way more comfortable. So give me that little bit of an angle to kick my knees up to make it just so much more comfortable, like you're sitting in a recliner almost. So I thought it was pricey at $92, I believe, straight from Desert Does It website, but they came fast. It was a really easy job to install. Took me about 15 minutes and makes a huge difference. A huge difference. So highly recommend the seat jackers.